Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make a phone call and how to send a text message through JIVE. To access JIVE, we have to go to my.jive.com, hit enter, and then you'll be given the login page. So on the login page, you have to put in your email address. So I'm gonna log on to Shernan's. And put in his password and hit enter or login. So once you're logged in, you'll be given this page. And you have two ways to make a phone call. You can either click on the blue phone icon right here, put in the phone number to call, hit call, and it's gonna dial right away. So you will see it right here once it gets connected, and you'll be able to end the call by pressing the red button or by hovering your mouse over this blue box, clicking on it, and then click on the end call button. So if you dial a phone number through the blue phone icon, you would need to call the number first prior to send a text message. And you can send a text message through this box at the bottom. Then you can either hit enter on the keyboard or you can press this button and it'll be sent. There it is. So that's the first one of the ways to actually make a phone call. Again, that's by clicking the blue icon right here, right on the upper right hand corner, or you can go to contacts, put in the phone number here. Let's say I'm gonna call Amber, and then you click, or you can put in the phone number, you copy and paste it here, and then click on go. And if you're gonna do that through contacts, you can text the client first, and then you can click on the call icon right here, so it's gonna start to dial. And you will see this being highlighted. It's gonna let you know whether or not it's still trying to connect or it has already connected. And you just have to click the end button once you're done. So as a summary, once you're logged in to JIVE, you have two ways to make a phone call. You can either go straight to the blue phone icon, put in the phone number, click call, and it's gonna dial right away. And then you can send a text message after. Or you can go to contacts, put the phone number in, hit go, then you'll be allowed to send a text message first or call the client first. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.